At RB Custom Machining, lean and efficient's who we are. As a team with decades of experience in automation, biomedicine, and mechanical engineering, we look at projects from a multitude of different perspectives. As a customer at one point, we saw what worked and what didn't work for us, and that's one of the reasons we decided to start the company ourselves. RB Sigma was founded in Six Sigma and lean manufacturing principles, but part of the lean thinking methodology here at RB Sigma is our ability to break those complex geometries and components down into single pieces. Those single pieces we can run quickly through our machine and assemble out the back end to build a super complex whole machine. So an ISO 9001-2015 certification is something that RB Custom Machining adheres to. As a certified company, it helps us ensure that we deliver to our customers on time and we meet their highest expectations. Whether it's a small number of complex geometries or a high number of simple geometries, RB Custom Machining's your answer.